For both, 30.
30 for both. I would do your cassette, box, that lunch pail, this guy for 10. And I would do another 10 for that, 20, all those. Good morning. You guys,
hey, how you doing, man?
You guys set up? Is that, you're all good? All right.
I tried to wave at you to tell you to come in.
Oh, you're all good. I saw no one was here, so I was route planning still with all the other sales and everything. So they come over through the night.
Are you looking for anything in particular?
You know, I grab pretty much everything. whatever catches the eye, whatever is of interest.
Whatever grabs at you.
Yeah. So. You're cool.
The CDs are a quarter a piece.
Quarter a piece?
Hey,
Okay.
you want to move that over there, so thanks, guys.
How about the combo player here? You know what you're asking for that?
$5.
5. It still worked the last time you guys used it? No.
Yeah. Do you want us to plug it in real quick for you?
You ain't got no TV?
I mean, it looks pretty clean. I'm pretty believe you on that one.
Yeah.
So.
For any of that done. This is our first time doing the yard sale here in Fayetteville.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Where are you guys originally from?
Moore County.
Carthage. You heard of Carthage?
I have no clue what you guys just said.
Carthage. It's near Southern Pines and Aberdeen Pines.
Okay. So it's still in the area.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right.
I got an hour and 10 minutes.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm not from this area. I got stationed here. I just got out. We're leaving at the end of the year. So
Where y'all moving to?
I'm originally from California.
Oh, shoot.
And then we're gonna actually go to Idaho just because we want to be by like a lake town and stuff like that. Do that whole thing. So yeah.
All right.
But yeah, I was born and raised in the Bay Area, California for about 32 years. So for this little, I'll do the $5 if you guys do $1 for those stack of CDs.
Oh, yeah, there's one.
Oh, that's right. There we go. Okay. So in my head I was like 50
No,
cents.
you're fine.
So. Because normally they are 50 cents, so.
Are they usually?
Yeah, around 50 to $1. You don't happen to have any like more like old school like crazy album hits of those?
No,
we
have albums there, but that's
yeah,
all
those
we have.
records, but
That's it, man.
okay. Sounds good. All right, I'll be happy with this. Good luck with the sale. Thank you.
Take it easy, man.
Oh, sorry.
I need to leave my clothes so we can put it together. Hey, did you find that guitar? This is just a case to put over it. I mean, you just put that grip there, but you want that to put it until you want to buy it. Andy, put that wedding dress out there somewhere.
So this is your stuff here
Yes.
in this area?
It is
I grabbed a shirt.
$1 and 2.
Okay.
So 3 total.
Do you have ones on you at all?
I do. I'll grab some.
For a 5.
There you go.
Sweet. Thank you very much.
That's not our table. That's our stuff. Floors.
Oh, shit.
Put it right over.
You can leave that one on the right. I'll check that one out real quick.
That one?
Yeah.
I already saw one. You want a ball? You want a ball?
No, I don't need the ball.
Now, these here right here are 2 newer ones like that.
Yeah. What's might be taking to check this guy out for me real quick. What are you asking on these gloves?
2 apiece.
2 apiece. This guy's got some age on.
Gosh, I used to be good.
The game is phasing out for some reason. Fortunately, it used to
Hey,
be.
Margie, there ain't no room to play ball in here.
We're doing that.
You're not doing that in
I
here.
wanted to see if I could catch it.
No, you're,
Oh,
you're,
Oh, come on, you bring the gloves out. There's got to be some fun. I'm just playing.
That was good.
There you go. For that one over there. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
And her, both my daughter-in-law. These people from home, but my other son's wife, he has to go to like
Excuse me, do you guys happen to know if that works last time you used it?
Yeah, I wish I had my DVD. That's why I sold get rid of all my DVDs, so I could plug it in.
Mm-hmm.
Let me see if I can find that.
I got a whole bunch of them at my house.
You can't find them anywhere.
have the box, I mean, that VHS?
Mm-hmm. The tapes? Yep.
Yeah. You could just go plug it in and see if it works.
Yeah, I think she doesn't have to grab a tape if I'm able to just see if it'll power up. See if it'll take it. This is the main.
Is it on?
Well, I see lights. Yeah, I think you're good there. That's always the thing, whether it'll take it.
Yeah, take it and spit it back.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's been sitting too long.
Yeah. Sometimes the gears in there just need to be worked, but
Like I said, it's been sitting up in the garage, attic for a while.
yeah. Well, let's see. Now it's gone.
Yeah, that one's still got the package, everything on it.
Oh, okay. And this guy's pretty good, you're thinking too?
I don't know. I had this in the
That's
attic.
a sharp, okay.
I had this in the attic.
Still got the original
Is that just the DVD player?
VHS.
You can see it. Yeah.
Oh, that cord is a little.
Oh, you can unwrap it.
It's I'll just.
Is that working either?
Yeah, this guy's eating tapes too. Okay, I don't mean to be
That's okay.
doing this to all you guys.
Okay, do whatever. So at least we'll know, because we didn't even try. We just pulled it from the attic.
Mm-hmm. So I'm doing half the work for you guys, I guess. Yeah, I just, those things just sitting, if they don't get used, they just go bad.
What happened?
I don't know. The DVD though.
Yeah, I can see how this guy's.
Do you want a DVD?
I can, but something of this size, I'm not quite sure.
Is it even working?
Yeah, it's powering on.
You got a DVD.
Huh?
You just gave it.
No, this one's a DVD. She's. Huh.
Spitting it back out.
Yeah, that's fine. We're 0 for 3. Let me just see what else she has here. I'm definitely gonna get that little lunch pill. What do you guys have an idea on what you would want for this?
10?
10 you were looking for? The label's a little messed up. I would be
5?
I'd be more like at 3, honestly. Too low. Let me see if I can find something else here, and then we can
Alright.
throw it in. I don't want
Okay.
to start off on a bad. What are these cassettes going for?
Linda, you
The
sound the
whole
whole.
thing for 5.
Okay.
Those little yellow things are Pikachu. Are they called? What are they called? Pikachus?
You can do it, yeah.
Do you know what system this goes to at all?
Crap. It goes to. Let me look at my phone.
I don't.
Nintendo Wii.
It is Wii?
Yep. Nintendo Wii.
And I'm assuming they work the last time you used these, or
Yeah, they work.
what were you
Find
asking?
a cord. For, I was asking. Let's see, what was I asking? For both 30.
30 for both?
One myself would be for 20.
Mm-hmm.
I'll give it a more cheaper than that.
Cheaper than that?
The yard sale. Do a package deal for a whole bunch of stuff. If he wants to.
I would do your cassette
Uh-huh.
box, that lunch pill, this guy for 10, and I would do another 10 for that, 20, all those,
20 for all of these?
everything that cassette box, lunch pill, this guy, and those, 20 bucks. Dun, the music comes in. Dun, dun, dun. Yeah.
25.
25. That'd be like
If you want, if you do it for, like you said, you do it for 25, you fill those in for parts. If you want.
Yeah.
You can always pull them apart and use it for miscellaneous stuff. But like I said, it's up to you.
Yeah. I'll take the remotes. Can I take the remotes for 25?
All of them for 25, yes.
Yeah? Okay.
You
Let's-
want those things just for parts anyways?
I'll probably hold off on them.
Alright.
Yeah. Yeah. It's
It's crazy.
we're almost in November.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Yep, you too.
Definitely not the craziest haul of sales on those few ones you just saw there. Paid a total of $36. Thankfully that first sale helped me out, and there was some other ones during the day that I didn't show. Man, that last sale, as far as that lunch pill or lunch box, it was, you know, in my head figured 1980s would be all right, but apparently the earlier you get, the better they just get. That one that I have wasn't in the greatest condition. Probably should have maybe done a little bit of research on my end. I'm always guilty of that. But yeah, your 70s, your 60s, your 50s do very well as long as they're in good condition. And it was the craziest thing. That lady just kept on bringing player after player that didn't work. So that was kind of a funny little scenario. And she had some steep prices, and her husband was like trying to talk her down, saying, hey, you know, lady, it's a yard sale. and she was just trying to get maximum dollar. So it was a little tough kind of wiggling, and was able to slide some remotes in. I looked them up, they were average price. With me right now and everything, I just decided to donate those and not deal with the easy listings. That's how kind of picky and choosy I'm getting right now. So thanks for watching. Hopefully you like this video. Stay tuned for the next one. Hope you're all doing all right out there. Take care now, bye.